Hi, I'm Dr. Nathan Hoover with Advanced Sports and Family Chiropractic and Acupuncture. We're not your typical chiropractic clinic. At ASFCA, we offer a multitude of treatment options to help our patients achieve optimal health and wellness without the need for invasive procedures or addictive prescription drugs. In our top-rated clinics throughout Kansas City, we utilize the healing power of chiropractic care, board-certified acupuncture, and state-of-the-art physical therapy treatments to ensure our patients receive the highest level of care. In this video, we will discuss Class 4 cold laser therapy, one of the most popular and beneficial physical therapies we offer to our patients at ASFCA. This cutting-edge, non-invasive, non-surgical physical therapy treatment utilizes cold laser light or low-level laser light to stimulate cellular function, promoting regeneration and healing while naturally reducing pain and increasing mobility. Cold laser therapy sessions are simple and stress-free. Our expert doctors and PT specialists gently target the area causing pain, inflammation, and mobility issues. ASFCA's Class 4 cold laser therapy is safe and gentle for patients of all ages. Typically lasts around 15 minutes, and there's no downtime after a session is completed. Cold laser therapy is a great way to treat many different injuries and pre-existing conditions. With Class 4 cold laser therapy, we can successfully treat back pain, neck pain, sports injuries like ankle sprains, tennis elbow, knee injuries, plantar fasciitis, and rotator cuff injuries. Cold laser therapy is also a great way to find relief from neuropathic pain syndromes like peripheral neuropathy, complex regional pain syndrome, and fibromyalgia. Whether you have a sprain, strain, or fracture, cold laser therapy can help you recover. At ASFCA, we believe in a holistic approach to health and wellness. Our top-rated chiropractic care and acupuncture, combined with cold laser therapy, offer our patients a comprehensive path to recovery. It's our mission to help everyone we treat live a pain-free and active life. Make an appointment and visit one of our top-rated clinics located throughout Kansas and Missouri. If you're ready to experience the benefits of cold laser therapy, call or schedule your appointment online. Let ASFCA optimize your health and wellness. We look forward to treating you.